I'm here with the front of house engineer for Accept. They are currently on tour right now. How are you doing, Ryan?
I'm good.
You're a touring engineer. You've run sound for a lot of bands. What is the advice you would give to, for example, a drummer?
Make sure you're in lockstep with the bassist. It's so important that there's a syncopation that goes along with the kick drum and the bass and the hi-hat that needs to happen. And if that doesn't happen, if you're just kind of riding the route as a bassist, nothing sounds tight. Or just flopping around on the kick, it just doesn't work. So you need to be in lockstep.
What's the thing that singers can do to help you take them to the next level sonically?
Be born with innate talent.
That's all it takes.
No. Learn to warm your voice up. Like Mark Tornillo, who's our singer with Accept, making all kinds of weird noises about an hour before. And oh my God, yeah, you gotta lock him in his own room.
Yeah.
Your voice will last longer, you'll sing better, and you'll probably get hired to do more shit.
Yeah. Okay. Right now we are here where they filmed Batman in Chicago, in the heart of Chicago.
There's zero crime right here.
I know. I feel so safe
None.
right now.
See that? There's no crime. None.
You might have missed, and Batman was actually just here an hour ago.
Yeah. Cleaned up all the crime.
So safe.